Before the infamous Nair cream, I actually used to shave my butt using my facial razor. This is the one that I used. It's Gillette and from Costco. And this is the shaving gel that I used. It's also Gillette and from Costco. Last year, I posted a video on how to shave your butt using this method on my YouTube. And after rewatching it this year, I realized that I didn't do a very good job. I missed a lot of spots, and at the end of the video, I was still very hairy. I do not think that tutorial was very good, and so that's why I'm making this video. Personally, I prefer using Nair on my butt because I feel like it's the most effective, but if you don't want to use a hair remover cream on your butt, this is definitely the second best option. So here's how to do it. Before I get started, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Please also check out my full bottoming course at the links below. It's fully new and fully updated with like visual guides and stuff. You won't be disappointed. And of course, don't forget my DISCREET douche kits also at the links below. So I used to shave my butt in the shower, but that's not very good for your shower hole or your shower pipe because you could clog it. I have very thick and long butt hairs, and I'm sure you do too. And like, even if you don't have super thick and long butt hairs, still try to like not clog any pipes in your house, you know? So just find a spot in the bathroom and do your thing there. When it comes to shaving your butthole and your butt cheeks with a facial razor, the most important thing to do before anything is to lather your butthole and your butt cheeks with some shaving cream. Put some shaving cream on one hand, let's use my left one for this example, and just lather your butthole and your butt cheeks and the entire area with this cream. It should feel relaxing. Don't be afraid to go a little crazy because it's better to use too much shaving cream than it is to use too little. So don't be scared to over lather. Next, you are going to spread your left cheek with your left hand, and then with your right hand, grab your facial razor and then put it on like the furthest, most innermost part of your butt cheek. Few things to note here, we are not going to actually shave our butthole. 99% of the hairs on our butts are like in the innermost part of our butt cheeks. You might think that's your butthole, but in reality, it's just the innermost part of your cheeks closest to the hole. Now, what I mean by bringing this razor to the furthest part is we are starting our shave at like the part of our cheeks that's closest to our taint. The taint is basically a little meaty area between your testicles and your butthole. We are not going to be shaving downwards with our arms. That's not comfortable. We are going to be shaving upwards, and so we have to start where it's furthest, which is the area around our taint. You can start with the outer cheeks if you want to, but I personally like to start with the inner cheeks because I feel like that's the most hairy part, and like shaving your butt with a razor is most effective in the beginning. I'm personally the most hairy in my inner cheeks, and so if I start with my outer cheeks, when I rinse the razor, the water will get on it, and then that dilutes the shaving cream, and then like I have to reapply, and then it's just like a whole mess and like not super effective and like efficient. So just keep it simple. We're gonna start together in the inner cheeks, okay? So remember, left hand spreading the left cheek and right hand holding the facial razor at the furthest innermost part of your butt cheek, closest to the taint. Once you're in position, start shaving very slowly in an upwards motion. When you get to the area right under your tailbone, you have to adjust the direction of your shave. Don't shave upwards and hit your tailbone because that's how you cut yourself. That's how I cut myself before. Instead, you want to follow the natural shape of your left butt cheek. So go upwards, and once you're close to your tailbone, start going a little bit left. Follow the natural shape of your cheek. At this point, you are going to see a lot of hairs on your razor, so go ahead and rinse that. Tap the razor on a sink to make sure it's dry and all the hairs are off, and move on to the next hairy section. This gets easier and easier as you migrate out to your outer cheeks because those areas are a lot less sensitive and also less hairy, for me at least. But you still have to be very, very careful. For my personal butt, 4 upward shaves are enough. If you find that you're still hairy in some parts after 4 shaves, don't worry, it's normal. It's hard to see your butt like from the back. If any parts are still hairy, just reapply the shaving cream and shave the areas again. If you're shaving the same area again, you have to go even more slow and be even more careful because if you overshave one area, it could get irritated. All right, once one side is fully done, you are again going to rinse the razor and dry it, wash your hands to get all the shaving cream off your hands, and move on to the other side of your butt. So same thing, spread your right cheek with your right hand and grab your razor with your left. This one might be harder for you if you are right-handed like me, but I promise you'll manage. It's not like we're writing a freaking essay, we're just shaving, like we'll be fine. Do the same exact thing on the other side. It's important for me to mention that if the shaving cream ever feels like it's lacking in one area or like it's like misplaced, definitely reapply. Don't ever shave if there's no shaving cream. Like you will literally bleed and you won't really be successful. Once you are done shaving both sides, go ahead and wash your razor and take a shower. Rinse off the shaving cream and the loose butt hairs off your butthole and your butt cheeks, and wash all of it with warm water and soap. And that's it! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun making it. If you like this video, please give it a good thumbs up. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here and to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me, you know? Like we're like besties. As always, links below for my full bottoming course, fully new and fully updated with hella visual guides that will definitely help you in your gay journey. And for my premium douche kits, fully discreet and shipped right to your doorstep. The douches come in 2 colors. My super lit Discord server is also at the links below. Just click on my description for all my links. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below, as well as if you have any video recommendations for yours truly, or if you have any questions or concerns. And yeah, thanks guys, I love you and I will talk to you soon.